Welcome to the Community Newsroom here in the south side of Glasgow. Greater Govanhill is a community magazine that I set up 5 years ago. And I set it up to challenge some of the negative stereotypes that exist about this area, often written by people who live outside the area and fueled by things like racism, xenophobia and political motivations. Govanhill is this amazing place that's one of the most diverse places in all of Scotland, but it has got its disadvantages like any other neighbourhood too. And the idea for the magazine was to take a solutions-focused approach to covering some of those issues, but more importantly to be a platform for voices you don't typically hear in the media, to equip people with the tools to tell their own stories and ultimately to bring people together. In every issue we might have kind of 20, 30, 40, 50 people from around the community getting involved in different ways. To do that we do a lot of community reporter training. So we run workshops and kind of more extended programs for people to learn journalism skills, to get involved in community action, to think about how they can use their voice to make a change. We run exhibitions, so we host events here in our community newsroom. All of this is about trying to find out what people need to know to help them thrive and to support local people, local businesses, local organisations who are making a difference in the community. I think there's all kinds of different ways where you can kind of assess the value of Greater Govanhill. There's the value to the individuals who might get involved with our programmes. So there's been loads of people, hundreds of people who have been through our community reporter programmes, for example, who have then gone on to get apprentices, go to college, get a new job, or grow in confidence, skills and connections because of being involved with us. Then there's the value to our readers. So we get our readers get in touch all the time to say that they feel more connected to their neighbours and the neighbourhood because of the magazine. They've got involved in volunteering because of the magazine, they've been along to an event. And then there's the value to the wider community. So that's to the businesses that we feature, the organisations that we feature, and also how people perceive this neighbourhood. People are telling us that they feel proud when they see the magazine, that they show it to people outside of the area and they're pleased to say that this is Govanhill and this is where I live.